Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Forex Black Magic System. So let us start by adding the several indicators contained in this system to the chart. All right, we're going to be adding them one after the other. The BKMGC1, BKMGC2, and BKMGC3. All right. Now we can see that the indicator is quite a comprehensive one. I mean the system, right? The trading system is quite a comprehensive one. So the first indicator, we can see that it paints directly on the candlesticks. When the prevailing momentum is bearish, you will notice that the indicator will paint these green lines. I mean the red lines, sorry. When the momentum is bearish, the indicator will paint these red lines on the candlesticks. It doesn't matter whether it's a bullish candle or a bearish candle. So long as the momentum is bearish, the candles will all be painted with these red vertical lines. Then when the momentum is bullish, you will notice that the candles will be painted with these green vertical lines, irrespective of the color of the individual candle. All right, and then we can see that the second indicator also shows us when the momentum is bullish and when the momentum is bearish. Right, you can see that when we have a potential buy move about to commence, you will notice the appearance of this green line below the zero level, right? The green vertical line. And when a potential sell move is about to commence, you notice the appearance of this red line above the zero level. All right, and then here we have quite a number of lines within the third indicator window. All right, so you can see that this might be a little bit confusing, but you want to pay attention to the position of the green and the red. All right, now this lots of lines here. Let's go to the indicator settings to see if we can find anything unique. You can see just the colors though. All right, so you will notice that when the red line is above and sloping down, it's a sell trend. You can see it happened here, right? And when it is down and sloping upwards, it's a bullish trend. You can see it happened here, right? Then as for the green and yellow lines, you will see that they are more, sensitive, right? So if you're looking for, um, a faster signal, you can pay attention to the green and yellow lines. You can see here when the green and yellow line started sloping down, the price started dropping. You can see that in this place when it started sloping up, when the green crossed above the yellow, you can see that shortly afterward we had a buy move commence. So if you are an intraday trader and you are looking for faster signals, maybe you also want to pay attention to the green and the yellow lines. All right, but all these other lines, maybe you can just leave them for now, in order to reduce the number of indicators you are paying attention to avoid unnecessary complexities, right? So you want to pay attention to the color codes on the candlesticks being painted by the first indicator. Pay attention to the vertical lines, displayed above the zero level and below the zero level, showing us prevailing momentum. And you want to pay attention to the third indicator that is showing us this trend signals, right? Pay attention to the red line, the green line, and the yellow line. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.